Shanghai SINCORE is specialized in extrusion and recycling with more than 20 years experience. Our products cover PEPPPR pipe extrusion line, PVC pipe extrusion line, precision soft tube or profile extrusion line, PVC WPC profile or panel extrusion line, PVC WPC granulation line, plastic recycling washing plant, PE watering granulation line, multifunction strand type granulation line. Professional machining ensures stable quality. Every detail is built for reliability. All our machines will be strictly tested before delivery. Precise control for stable and efficient operation. We use famous brand components like Siemens, ABB, Schneider, Flender, etc. to assure the stable quality of machines. We take quality as life and energy saving as our mission. High speed, high output, highly automated, energy. Our machines have been exported to East Europe, North Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and South America, covering more than 20 countries and well recognized by global customers. SINCORE sincerely cooperate and share. We sincerely hope to cooperate with all partners for a successful future together.